कि जहां से वह बच्ची आते जाते बस को देख सकती थी और उस बस में आने जाने वाले यात्रियों को भी देख सकती थी। तो हुआ यूं कि आते जाते देखते इस बच्ची के मन में होता कि मैं भी बस पे जाती, मैं भी ट्रेवल करती, मार्केट जाती। दिस वाज द स्टोरी एंड whether she could fulfill her desire, her wish to travel on by bus to the market, we shall come to read in this story. लेसन 9, मैडम राइड्स द बस, यानी मैडम जो है बस में सवारी कर रही हैं। मैडम इज द वीआईपी वर्ड। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट पार्ट फर्स्ट ऑफ द लेसन 9. देयर वाज अ गर्ल नेम्ड वल्लीमई who was called Valli for short. The full name of that little kid girl was Valia Mai, though she was called with her nickname, short name that was the Valli. She was 8 years old and very curious about things. She was of a curious nature. She took interest in each and everything surrounding her. Her favorite pastime was standing in the front doorway of her house. So what was her favorite habit? To stand just by the side of the door of the house, main door of the side house, watching what was happening in the street outside, and she continuously used to look into the street, whatever was going on or whatever was taking place happening in the street. There were no playmates, she had no friend of her own age on her street, and this was about all she had to do. And this was the reason that she had no friend of her age in that street, so she used to stand on her home door, and by standing there she used to look into the or look to the incidents happening, coming, going, etc. on of the street. बट फॉर वल्ली, लेकिन वल्ली के लिए, यह तो मम्मी पापा का कहना था कि कोई है नहीं इसलिए खड़ी हो जाती है, बट फॉर वल्ली, लेकिन वल्ली के लिए स्टैंडिंग एट द फ्रंट डोर वाज एवरी बिट एज एंजॉयबल एज एनी ऑफ द इलेबोरेट गेम्स अदर चिल्ड्रन प्लेड. फॉर वल्ली टू स्टैंड ऑन द डोर and watching the happenings of the street was just same as game as other children used to play by going in the field. यानी वल्ली के लिए खड़ा हो जाना दरवाजे पर, गली का तमाशा देखना, ये सभी इतना आनंददायी और रुचिकर था कि यह अदर बच्चों के खेल जो कि बाहर जाके खेला करते थे उससे रंच मात्र भी कम नहीं था. क्लियर? आई थिंक played. Watching the street gave her many new unusual experience, and only just by watching on the door and looking into the street was the source for her the lot of experiences. ढेर सारे अनुभव, समझ, एक्सपीरियंस आदि का सोर्स जो था उसका वही था दरवाजे पे खड़ा हो जाना, उसके बाद बाहर गली में देखना. The most fascinating, first fascinating, fascinating means attracting, charming thing of all was the bus that traveled between her village and the nearest town. The bus which traveled from village to the town and from town to the village by taking the passengers, by carrying the passengers, was the most interesting object for her. It passed through her street each hour, means this bus used to pass through the street of Valli after every 1 hour. Once going to the town and once coming back. एक बार जाती एक बार आती, 1 घंटे का अंतर होता. Once going to the town and once coming back. The sight of the bus filled each time with a new set of passengers. Means whenever after 1 hour, every after 1 hour, whenever bus passes or passed through the street of the Valli, then Valli found that every time this bus had different and new passengers in it. was a source of unending joy for वल्ली, और वल्ली यही देखा करती कि नए नए यात्री आ जा रहे हैं, और यह जो था कभी न खत्म होने वाला आनंद का स्रोत जो था वह वल्ली के लिए था. Day after day she watched the bus, means she kept continue watching the bus by standing on the door of his home through the street, and gradually a teeny wish crept into her head. Gradually, that is slowly with the passage of time, as she became grow little bit grow, and an idea started to take place, started to happen, started to come in her mind. And what was that idea? Let us see. And grew there, she wanted to ride on that bus, even if just once. And what was that idea? That idea which came in her mind was to travel on the bus, and only once time anyhow, किसी भी तरह से सिर्फ एक बार उसे यात्रा करने को मिल जाता. That was her wish, that was her idea. This wish became stronger and stronger until it was an overwhelming desire. Overwhelming का मतलब स्ट्रॉन्गर एंड स्ट्रॉन्गर का मतलब बढ़ता जाना, खूब डीप इच्छा होना. ओवरवेलमिंग का मतलब होता है एकदम अपने कब्जे में लेना. मीन्स अब उसको जुनून हो गया कि अब तो चढ़ना है, कैसे चढ़े, मतलब एकदम सपने में भी उसे दिखता कि मैं बस में चढ़ रही हूँ, चढ़ू एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. Wanted to write an event, thus wish became stronger and stronger until it was an overwhelming desire. Wally would stare wistfully at the people who got on off the bus when it stopped at the street. Whenever people bus by taking or by carrying the new dude, and different people used to go through the street before the home or door of the Wally, her idea became stronger and stronger. Their faces would kindle in her longings. किंडल मीन्स हल्का फुल्का झलक दिखना, यानी जब नए नए यात्रियों को देखती उसके बाद वह सोचती तो सपने में भी उन लोगों के जो थे नए नए यात्रियों के चेहरे उसे दिखते कि अरे मैं भी बस में जाऊं, मुझे भी दिखे, मैं भी दिख रही हूँ, बस में बैठी हुई हूँ. In her longings, dreams and hopes, if one of her friends happened to ride the bus and tried to describe the sights of the town to her, Wally would be too zealous to listen and would shout in English, proud, proud. Neither she nor her friends really understood the meaning of the word, but they used it often as a slang expression of disapproval. The travel on the bus to the market town and from town to the village had become so deep desire of the mind of the heart of the Wally that whenever anyone of her class, of her friend, classmate, used to go to town by bus and to be back by bus, whenever he started to describe before Wally and other friends, then suddenly started to cry Wally that proud, proud, proud. Though the Wally herself and the other students did not know what was the real meaning of proud, but all were taking it as the symbol of the disapproval for anything. जब भी वल्ली की इतनी गहरी इच्छा हो गई थी कि वह जो थी जब भी सपने में इधर उधर देखा करती कि बस हम बस में जाए, कैसे भी उसे जुनून हो गया था. हालांकि उसे मौका नहीं मिल पा रहा था, लेकिन क्या होता कि कभी कभी उसका कोई दोस्त अपने मम्मी पापा के साथ ट्रैवल करने चला जाता और उस ट्रैवल को करके आता, तो जब दोस्तों के सामने और वल्ली के सामने वह डिस्क्रिप्शन करना शुरू होता तो वल्ली को जिलसी जलन होती और वल्ली कहती प्राउड प्राउड प्राउद. दाउ हर मीन टू से स्टॉप स्टॉप स्टॉप, लेकिन he was not knowing what is meant of the proud. But वो जो थी अच्छी तरह से ये नहीं जानते थे कि उस प्राउड का अर्थ क्या है, लेकिन वो वल्ली और उसके जो फ्रेंड थे वो सब इतना जरूर जानते थे कि इस प्राउड वर्ड का मतलब होता है डिसअप्रूवल, यानी किसी चीज को नकारना कि यह गलत चीज है, मत डिस्क्रिप्शन करो, मत बात करो इस टॉपिक पे. Over many days and months, Wally listened carefully to conversations. CONVERSATIONS. Conversation means वार्तालाप, colloquial language, बातचीत. Conversations means ढेर सारे लोगों की बातचीत. Lot of time, many times she heard the conversations of lot of people. between her neighbors and people who regularly used the bus. And she also asked a few discreet questions. Discreet means very interesting and eager and हाँ इंटरेस्टिंग एंड ईगर क्वेश्चंस, मतलब वह लोगों को बात करते सुनती तो लोगों से अचानक वह कुछ उन चीजों से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन पूछने लगती, जानकारी लेने लगती, ये कैसे होगा, वो कैसे होगा, ये क्या है, व्हाट एवर रिलेटेड टू द क्वेश्चंस टू द बस एंड ट्रैवल and to the town. Here and there, this way she picked up various small details about the bus journey, and thus by asking little bit some careful question related to the bus and journey of the bus and town, she had collected some information which were useful for her. The town was 6 miles from her village. जो टाउन था उसके गांव से 6 माइल दूर था. The fare was 30 पैसे वन वे. वन वे मीन्स एक बार जाने का केवल 30 पैसा था, which is almost nothing at all, जो कि नहीं के बराबर था. She heard one well dressed man say, once she heard through the mouth of one person, but to Valli, but for the Valli means mouth, व्यक्ति के मुंह से क्या सुना था कि 30 पैसे तो भाड़ा है, इक्वल इज नथिंग, क्या है, कुछ तो नहीं है. बट फॉर वल्ली, लेकिन वल्ली के लिए, who scarcely, that is rarely, बड़ी कठिन से शायद ही, saw that much money, 30 पैसे उसने कभी देखा हो. That was impossible for Valli, very difficult task, like impossible task for Valli, which was the very easy task for very well man, that was for the rich man. Much money from one month to the next, एक महीने से दूसरे महीने तक कभी भी उसने इतने पैसे वल्ली ने नहीं देखे थे, 30 पैसे कलेक्टिवली. It seemed a fortune, अब यह एक उसे भाग ही लग रहा था कि शायद ही वह ट्रैवल कर सके. The trip to the town took 45 minutes time to travel. From village to town was the 45 minutes. On reaching town, if she stayed in her seat and paid another 30 paise, means if she had reached to town and when she was to return back to the home, then again she had to pay 30 paise for returning from the town. Yani 30 plus 30 is equal to 60 paise, and which was the most difficult and impossible and a lot of a huge amount for the Valli. If she stayed in her seat and paid another 30 paise, she could return home on the same bus. This meant that she could take the 1 o'clock afternoon bus, reach the town at 1:45 and be back home by about 2:45. वह याद की सोची कि अगर मैं 1:45 पे चलूं तो 2:45 तक वापस आ सकती हूँ वहां से. Means anyhow she is trying to avoid the knowledge of her mother. और चाहते कि अपने मम्मी से बच जाऊं वरना मैं मार खाने लगूंगी, कैसे भी जाके आ जाऊं. On and on went her thoughts. On and on means same in this way, on this way, इसी तरह से, ठीक इसी रास्ते से, इसी तरीके से. Her thoughts means Valli's thoughts, as she calculated and recalculated, planned and replanned, means in same way she was trying to planning to go to the market, to go to the town by traveling the bus. Now para second. Well, one fine spring day, that is the सुहावना day, pleasant day, Basant Ritu, the afternoon bus was just on the point of leaving the village and turning into the main highway, when a small voice was heard shouting, "Stop the bus, stop the bus," and a tiny hand was raised commandingly. Commandingly means आदेश देते हुए. So one day what happened that a bus, when that bus was turning from the village on the highway, suddenly people heard the voice of a little kid, and when people hearing the sound or voice of the little kid turned back, then they found that a little kid girl was crying to stop the bus by raising her small and lovely hands in a commanding way. The bus slowed down to the crawl. Again, crawl means to proceed, to move on. Driver stopped the bus and the conductor sticking his head out the door. Sticking means दरवाजे से चिपके हुए बाहर सर करके, his head out the door, said, hurry, then tell whoever it is to come quickly. Bus conductor requested to come to hurry and asked who was crying, and whoever was crying, come on, do hurry fast, do, and come inside of the bus. It's me, shouted Valli. Then Valli replied in loud voice that was she. I am the one who has get on. I am the one. Miss Valli said that she wanted to get into the bus to go to the town. By now the bus had come to stop, and the conductor said, oh really, you don't you say so? And then conductor said, oh ma'am, you really, means in a fun way. Conductor said, okay, you ma'am, you want to get into the bus? Yes, I simply have to go to town, said Valli. Valli replied that yes, she was to go to town, so she wanted to enter into the bus, to sit into the bus. Still standing outside the bus, and here is my money, she showed him some coins. And by standing on the door of the bus on the ground, Valli handed over the 30 paise to the conductor as a fare to go to the town from her village. Okay, but first you must get on the bus, said the conductor, and he stretched out a hand to help her up. When conductor received money lovingly, he requested or said lovingly to the Valli to enter into the bus, and by saying so, he stretched his hand to support in getting into the bus to the Valli. Never mind, she said, I can get on by myself, you don't have to help me. Valli said in strict voice that no need of help of you. तुम्हारी मदद की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. Valli was able to enter into the bus on self-control and self कैपेसिटी. वली ने कहा नहीं, मैं मुझ में क्षमता है, मैं जो खुद ही हूँ बस में चढ़ सकती हूँ, आपको हेल्प करने की जरूरत नहीं है. The conductor was a jolly sort. Jolly sort means of funny nature. Conductor was of funny nature, that was the mazakiya nature. Fond of joking. Oh, please don't be angry with me, my fine madam. Oh, my lovely madam, fine madam, lovely madam, little kid madam, don't get angry with me, because there was not my purpose to insult you, my purpose was only to help you. Don't communicate with each other. Take attention on book and lines of the book, idiots. He said, here have a seat right up there in front. Conductor showed the seat to the Valli. Everybody move aside, please. Make way for madam. Conductor requested to each and everyone to give way to the Valli to go to her seat. It was the slack time of day, and there were only 6 or 7 passengers on the bus. They were all looking at Valli and laughing with the conductor. Valli was overcome with shyness. Shyness means शर्म. Overcome means suppressed. यानी शर्म से वल्ली लाल हो गई जब लोग everybody was looking towards her and laughing with the conductor. Due to shyness, Valli realized shyness, and due to shyness, she got overwhelmed. Avoiding everyone's eyes, she walked quickly to an empty seat and sat down. अंत में वह पीछे गई, खाली सीट पाई और वहीं बैठ गई. Through this way, for today, I stop here. If you all have any problem related to word meaning, then query me. Otherwise, I am going to say bye. Fascinating. Fascinating means attracting, charming, आकर्षक.
सर fascinating नहीं.
हाँ.
Slack time.
Slack time, yes, slack time means time of rest. मतलब there is no lot of work at that time. जैसे आदमी कहता नहीं कि इस समय हम फुर्सत में चल रहे हैं, फुर्सत में टाइम है, कोई खास बर्थडे ना, बिजनेस भी कुछ डाउन चला है. That is called slack time. Anything else? Curious. Curious means eager, interested. किसी चीज के लिए आप उत्सुक होते हो, बहुत तीव्र इच्छा होती है, कि जोश होता है आप में. That is called curious, interested. KINDLE, किंडल मीन्स होता है सॉफ्ट नेचर. बस आप इतना समझो, दयालु, सॉफ्ट.